Just caught you daydreaming on what a simple trick. I couldn't fade us girl into the night. Had to pique your appetite. Now there's something on your mind. Do I make you curious? Does that make you dangerous? What's in your head? You're bluffing. I'm betting all on nothing now. Oh, we tripped through the night. You caught me midnight. Beautiful, didn't mean to fall down. Down at twilight, your eyes burning so bright. Patient and deliberate. Should I call you out or wait for it? God, I need to know right now. Do I make you curious? Does that make you dangerous? What's in your head? You're bluffing. I'm betting all on nothing. Is this a kiss or miss? I'm here for all of it. It's Cupid's game, we're running. I'm betting all on nothing. That I can read all. Should I call you out or wait for it? Did you break the code and take the hint? God, I don't even know if you could handle this, but I need to know right now. Do I make you curious? Does that make you dangerous? What's in your head? You're bluffing. I'm betting all on nothing. Is this a kiss or miss? I'm here for all. It's just the two of us. Do I make you curious? Do I make you curious?